Stop paying designers to create simple flyers for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple method on how you can use AI to create and customize your own flyers using your own photos, your own information, your own color, your own design, anything at all you want to put in your flyer. I'm going to show you how you can use AI to customize and create your own flyer completely for free. And the best part is that even though you are a novice in flyer creation or graphic designing, this method I'm going to show you is going to actually help you even though you are a beginner or you don't have any idea at all in graphics design. Another thing is that you can also make money out of this by creating flyers for people. So if this interests you, if this is what you want to learn, just stick to this video to the end because I've made it simple and straight to the point. Let's dive in. So guys, the first thing you need is your subject. This could be a clear photograph of a person, multiple speakers for a crusade, a birthday celebrant, a coach for a training program, or anyone you want featured on the flyer. The better the photos, the better the final result. So bear that in mind. Now that I have my images ready, that's the images of the persons I want them to feature in my flyer, the next thing is to get an inspiration flyer. Now I'm going to open Pinterest. So search for Pinterest in your browser, and then once in Pinterest, type the kind of flyer you want to create into the search bar. For example, I want to create a church crusade flyer, so I will search for church crusade flyer. Pinterest will immediately show hundreds of flyer designs. I will scroll through them carefully, looking for a design that catches my attention and matches the style I am aiming for. This one here looks really good. When I click on it, Pinterest even shows me more related designs I could actually try out. But since I like this particular flyer, I'll go ahead and download it. So once I've downloaded it, it's perfect. The flyer has now been saved to my device. Now comes the AI part. I will open ChatGPT and upload in the flyer image I just downloaded from Pinterest. Once the image loads, that's the flyer image loads, type this prompt saying, give a well-detailed prompt describing this flyer. Make it comprehensive and include every design element. Then I hit on send. What ChatGPT does next is impressive. It analyzes the flyer and breaks down everything that makes the design work: the layout, the typography, the lighting, the composition, the spacing, effects, color palettes, visual hierarchy, and much more elements. But there's one thing I don't want to copy in this design. That is the color palette. If I use the exact same colors used here, my flyer may look too similar to the original. So in the same chart I'm having with ChatGPT, I type another prompt saying, suggest unique alternative color palettes that would work perfectly for this flyer. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives me multiple options. Now I simply choose the one I like best. Let's go with crimson red, black and gold color palettes. Next, I will copy the detailed flyer description ChatGPT generated earlier and paste it back into the chart. This is where we transform inspiration into originality. I begin editing the description by replacing the original colors with my chosen color palette. Then I add my own flyer text, program information, heading, speakers, dates, venue details, and any other information I want it to appear. Once everything is customized, I send it back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a complete professional image generation prompt. A few seconds later, I have a detailed prompt specifically designed for my own customized flyer. Now it's time to generate the final design, that is my own customized crusade flyer. I'm going to open Flow AI and click on create a new project. Inside the settings, I'm going to choose image generation, Nano Banana Pro, aspect ratio 1:1. You can also use 9:16 if you are creating a flyer for WhatsApp status, Instagram stories, or Reels. Next, I'll click the plus icon and upload the images of the people I want to be featured in my design flyer. For me, it's a man and a woman, like a pastor, who are going to be guest speakers and hosts for the crusade. I'll wait for the images to finish uploading in Flow. Then I'll paste the detailed prompt ChatGPT generated for me. Before generating the flyer, I'm going to add one extra instruction asking Flow AI to maintain the facial identity and consistency of the uploaded subject, that's the uploaded image. This helps ensure that the final flyer looks exactly like the people I uploaded. Once everything is set, let's click on generate and just look at that result. A completely original professional flyer inspired by a design I like, but customized with my own colors, branding, text, and subject. No designing skills needed, no Photoshop, no complicated software, just smart use of AI. Once you are satisfied with the results, download it in 2K resolution and your flyer is ready to use. If this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to create professional flyers using AI. I'll see you in the next one.